Did you guys see? Where is it? I'm not seeing it, but I zoom it so that you guys can see for me. Where is it? Oh, it's here. Finally. Yeah, it's here. This small insects. You see, I locate them now. Finally. It's very hard to locate it. Did you see? This one. Yeah, it's the one that. Wow. Now I can see it clearly. That is the small insects. Okay guys, sorry. This kind of insect, there are a lot of them here. I don't know what they eat. What they eat here, I don't know. You see? Everywhere. They are making noise. Everywhere. I don't know what they eat. Cargo train. Cargo train. It's very long, guys. Oh la la. Oh la la, cargo train. Kur 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 kur. You have to cross here. We pass under the bridge. Up is a cargo. Is a train line, I mean. We are walking inside. I see there is bird here. Is it bad or what? Oh my god, I'm becoming blind. This is what I see like bird. But it is not bad. Yeah, this small place where we first. We finally come outside. Yeah, you guys see, and that one is a Binyang Center. Pedestrian crossing. This is the zebra crossing or pedestrian crossing.